Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your carrier account and PIN so you can save time. Once that's confirmed, open the phone app and tap the voicemail icon or dial your voicemail number. If your device uses a visual voicemail app, open it now because it streamlines recording and playback. Make sure your handset has Signal or Wi-Fi calling enabled. Without network access, you can't access carrier voicemail. Now that you're in the voicemail interface, locate the greeting or settings entry to proceed. Once in the voicemail settings, choose Greeting or manage Greeting and pick Custom rather than Default if you want a personalized message. This gives you control over tone and content. Press Record, speak clearly and keep it brief, state your name and instructions succinctly, then tap Stop and use Play to review. If it sounds off, re-record until satisfied. The option to save or cancel appears after each take. Make sure to use speaker or a headset to reduce background noise while recording. Save the greeting and immediately test by calling your number from another line so you hear exactly what callers will get. If playback is fine, you're done. If it fails to save, make sure the phone or visual voicemail app has microphone and storage permissions and free up space if needed. Then retry recording. If you can't access voicemail at all, reset your voicemail PIN through carrier settings or contact customer support. Sometimes provisioning on the carrier side needs to be refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.